Hello everybody, today we make stuffed pizza. And we got hot Italian sausage and mozzarella. And after we gotta make a marinara sauce. I want to start with the sausage. I want to saute the sausage first to cook a little bit. After it gotta cool off. The time it cool off the sausage, I do the marinara sauce. And the marinara sauce, I want to use garlic, onion, my oil baby hot pepper, and I use oregano. Okay, I got the parts for the sausage. I want to put a little drop of oil, not too much, because the sausage got a little fat. And I want the oil to be a little hot, the parts like this. When I put the sausage right away, it cook. You don't gotta cook a lot. The only thing, after you gotta cook it again, I got my barbecue outside, and it gotta reach the temperature 500 degrees. I got the stone inside, and it gotta be really hot. Okay, now the sausage gotta cool off, and we make the marinara sauce. The marinara sauce, I use oil. I got over here onion, and we got garlic. This, it gotta taste really good. The way when I put my oil baby, the hot pepper inside, and I got my homemade oregano. So somebody wanna see, maybe I wanna show everybody to do the oregano. Now I was putting my oil baby to make a nice taste with the garlic and onion we saute. Now make sure they're not burn. Okay, this is ready. And now it's the time of the sauce. Look at the color of the sauce. It's sauce. This is the one I make, no sweat, no sauce. We make a nice turn. And now it's time to put the oregano. And this oregano smells really good. Okay, the marinara sauce I put on low. Okay, you gotta cook a little bit, but it's really, really low. And this is the pizza dough. The pizza dough I make it by myself. Now, so you don't know how to make the pizza dough, you can buy, or you can look my recipe to make the pizza dough. It's on YouTube. Now, we need little flour over here, and I got my pizza. And we start to spread this pizza like this. Okay, now we use the roll. I gotta make a long, no run. I gotta roll this. This, you don't gotta be really thick and not too thin. You gotta check yourself. You see now still it's a little bit thick. Couple more roll and this will be done. Now, I use semolina flour, because when you cook the pizza, any kind, you cook on a barbecue, every place you gotta use little semolina flour, make the crust on the bottle really, really nice, cooked and crispy. I want to put the pizza dough right on top of this. I put over here, like this. Now, we gotta start fill it up this over here. And we use the sausage. We got a lot of sausage over here. Like this, everybody get a sausage. And now we put mozzarella. The mozzarella gotta taste so good, can melt everything. Okay, good. Now, what I want to do, I scramble this one egg, and I put a little water too, and I want to go all the way around. I want this to stick nice, everything. Now, we gotta roll this, and we put like that. We close on this other side. And now this, for me, I can eat like this already, raw, like this. All right, now I want to do all over the place with this. This one you cook, you gotta be really, really delicious. Okay, now this is done, but make sure with a knife or with a fork, make a hole. I do with a knife, crack like this, got the steam of inside, it come out. Okay, now this is gonna barbecue, it's almost 500 degree. Now we cook a little bit like this, the seal, the place are closed, like this, open up, after we turn the other way. Okay, now this was stay about 3 to 4 minutes, and now we flip over. This you gotta cook like this. When it's a nice color, we take out. Okay, now the pizza look really good. It's why I like to cook on a pizza stone. Now, so you want to buy this pizza stone, you can go on the link below and you can order this pizza stone. Okay, now let's see. Look at this. Look how beautiful it looks now. Now we take it out. We put right on my pizza thing. And we bring right on my cardboard over here. Okay, now let's try, let's cut it, and let's see. Oh, look at that. Ah, oh baby. Okay, now I want to taste, and let's see. Look how beautiful. All right, good. And this, I got my marinara sauce over here. And you dip a yama. The sausage, nice spice, and the mozzarella, really good. I want to say thank you very much. Somebody make this. It's really delicious, really good. It tastes good. I cook outside on a pizza stone. It come out much better. If somebody make, I want to see the way everybody make, they show me.